Good morning. Good morning, guys. So it's Wednesday here in Asaba Delta State. So today, my my baby is at home. So you guys are going to be spending our day with us. So I want to hang the laundries. We did laundry yesterday. So I want to hang them now. Let me show you guys.
Nothing filtered, mom life stories, love and laughter, everyday lifestyle, now and after. From the kitchen to the family time, sharing my truth one day at a time. If you love real life, come ride with me. This is home, just be free. Subscribe like a share love, stay tuned for more from me to you. I love you all, thank you for the support. I know Ruth Jennifer, always keeping it real. No Ruth Jennifer. No Ruth Jennifer.
What? You're locking me outside.
Jennifer, always keeping it real. Jennifer, always keeping it real. Jennifer, always keeping it real. Jennifer, from the kitchen to the family time, sharing my truth one day at a time. If you love real life, come ride with me. This is home, just be free. Subscribe, like, share the love. Stay tuned for more from me to you. I love you all, thank you for the support. I know Jennifer, always keeping it real. I know Jennifer.
So guys, these are the clothes that we've washed. No be to wash clothes, she you go arrange. No be to wash. I hate folding clothes, but especially if it's only my own clothes, it's even better. If it's only my own clothes, it's even better. But this one now, you have to sort out everyone's clothes. You have to fold the children's own, sort it out, fold the big baby's own, my husband's own, sort it out, fold my own. My sister has already packed her own now. She got one folder. It's not easy. I think this has been here for about 2 weeks now. So once this one that I hang dry, I'm going to be folding everything together. It might be today, it might be next tomorrow, it might be tomorrow. I don't know, but we're going to fold it. So guys, I'm done with the clothes. Let me go and receive it. Okay, I want to make video of the market I got yesterday. So I'll see you guys when I'm done with that, okay? So guys, my baby is awake. I'm done with the video. I've even created videos for my YouTube shorts. So I want to quickly I just finished bathing him. His head is hot. So he's teething. So I treated him malaria last week, though he took injection, so he finished his injection yesterday. So I want to give him food, give him paracetamol and one other drugs like that. Then when he sleeps, put him to bed to sleep. Then try and post my video for my business. Life of a mother is not easy. They've taken the light shot. They just took the light, so the rechargeable fan is on for him. He's so calm. Bobo, Bobo, it's not in the mood. Okay, yes, I'll see you on when I'm feeding him, okay?
But my heart is full. This simple life is beautiful. This is my everyday, soft but strong, finding my way as I go along.
So once his food digests, I'll give him the drugs. It has already digested, because if I give him these drugs now, he's going to throw up. So I'm going to wait a little bit. I don't know if you can see me. I'm going to so guys, as I was saying, I'm going to wait for his food to digest a little bit. Maybe 1 hour later, I'm going to give him, or 30 minutes, I'm going to give him his drugs, because if I give him his drugs now, he's going to throw up. So I'm just going to allow him to relax, or I'll try and give him paracetamol, because he actually likes the paracetamol. I'll try and give it to him, then so that his head will be calming down first before the drugs. Okay guys, I'll see you guys later, okay? Let me just try and give him this. But I pray it doesn't throw. Guys, this boy is not drinking. It's okay, it's okay. Hi guys, I want to eat. This is my breakfast. This is after 11. So guys, it's breakfast time. This is after 11. He slept small and woke up. His blood pressure is high. I'll clean his body soon. So let me just eat. I'll see you guys. I'll talk to you guys later, okay? So say hi. Baba, say hi. Baba. Baba. The brown lights. Thank God. Some have lights. Why some don't have? Hello guys, so this is after 6. I'm so hungry. It's just that breakfast I've been carrying till now. I'm craving for akara and soft bread. Thank God my akara vendor is coming out today. But I want to eat small spaghetti because my baby is not feeling well and he sucks more. Yeah, I've been giving him breast. Like since he's still sucking and he's not feeling well. Whenever my children are not feeling well, like when they are small and they are not feeling well, I love breastfeeding them very well because breast milk has its own power too. See my eyes. You can see that I'm stressed. See my eyes. So we came back from my friend's new apartment. I have friends to go get the akara. My husband is around, my sister, my children, everybody's around. They're holding baby, the baby of the house. Let me rest more. I've been holding him since morning. It's been a while I stay with Jotam from morning till evening, and I'm so happy doing it today. Yeah, So happy doing it today. He was holding me like holding me strong. He refused to even leave me. So guys, let me not rant so much. Let me take something I eat first. I'll talk to you. I want to calm down now. You guys show my eats. If I film a real day in my life, very chaotic. We value and cherish light now. Breastfeeding helps me to lose weight. Yeah. Breastfeeding helps to lose weight. I breastfeed, but I don't eat go like. I know how to control my hunger. If I chop the way I take hunger. I'm so happy. I'm so happy for someone very dear to my heart. So happy for her. I'm happy she's happy. God has been faithful. So I got about 15 subscribers today. What's today's date? Let me check. Okay, today being is it 13th of March? I appreciate you all. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I love you all. Okay guys, I'll talk to you guys later, maybe when I go get my akara. I'll talk to you guys later. Akara dioko. 500. No, so try another one. Hey, this akara go sweet. Dey face. Shall I tell you, say na your second to third akara, na dey sweet. That one sweet though, but see this one now. Okay.